What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla. We're going to talk about the price action that it did today and just the overall technical analysis like we always do on Tesla. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let's get right into this video. Now, what an absolute crazy day on the market. Now, when I talk about the market, I mean tech, and also we'll get to the S&P 500. Now, tech. It was down huge this morning. I mean, I was talking about 90, 100 points. We even tested this bottom of this zone right here, and it tested that neckline of that inverse head and shoulder, and it set us up for to continue up for the rest of the day. Now, yes, we did get a little bit of an end of the day sell-off. Tesla was not so much affected by that, and we'll go over that in a second. But the reason why I'm bringing up the NASDAQ is because Tesla is affected by this. Tesla typically moves with tech, so when this is up, Tesla is normally up. Now, I'm not saying it's 100% correlation, it always happens, no, but 9 times out of 10, if tech is up, then Tesla is up as well. So let's get right into Tesla and let's look at the price action it did today. So look, right here, morning dip. Morning dip happened. We hit lows of what, 624. So Tesla was really pushing down this morning, and it was kind of scary. But then buyers showed up. We got right back above the support that I'm looking at. So the support I was eyeing today was 644. 644. We wanted to see a close above that. Ultimately, we got a close above that. Now, yesterday we had this downtrend, and we continued that today. But we were able to recover a little bit, only $1. We finished $1, $2 up for the day. So nothing huge with regards to Tesla's movement. But the importance of what I was looking at and what it was able to achieve was it was able to hold the support here. So 645, 644, it was able to hold that support. The reason why it's so key is because we got rejected here before, act as a support right here, and then today it acted as a support. So we know that buyers and sellers are there. When we go underneath it, sellers are there. When we get above it, buyers are there. So right now, what's happening? Buyers are present and we're looking good for the moment. Now, I'm not going to say this means we're heading to the moon. No, but we're still looking good for this moment right now, setting us up until Monday. Now, with regards to what's been happening last month and a half with this whole downtrend, we broke that, I think 2 weeks ago. Last week we were kind of consolidation, and this week was basically, it was not that good. It was not good with regards to Tesla, at least. Basically, we're still, making that higher low, so we still are not technically right in this apparent downtrend right now. We've kind of breaking above that, but what you don't want to happen next week, guys, is us to get underneath this low again. You do not want this to happen because that means the market is still in the downtrend. Right now, you can see that this is just a pullback in the reversal. So this is the reversal right here. We got the pullback, great. We didn't dip under this low or this low right here, which is awesome. And now we're doing that continuation. So if this in fact is the dip buy, if this in fact is, where we're going to find the bottom, then what we're looking for next week is a push to 720, sorry. So right past 700 and then right to 720. That allows us to, have the dip what we had this week. It allows us to get above this last high and have that confirmation. So basically what I'm focusing on next week with regards to Tesla is just it getting to 720. Now that may seem steep for a lot of people, but let me remind you, last week we had Tesla have an over 100-point day in one day. So Tesla can easily cover this in 1 week. Easily. I mean, it fell from highs of right around 700 to now 654. So we can easily cover this. It's not a question of if it can, it's when it can. So what I'm looking for is a push to 720 into next week. Now, it doesn't have to happen all in one day. No, that's not what I'm saying. Like, unlike here, it happened all in one day. But no, this can happen over the course of 2-3 days. We can just basically finish Friday right at 720. That's all I'm asking, and that's all what I'm looking for. If we're able to do that, that puts us in a good position to really confirm this reversal and get out of this downtrend that we were in. Now, looking at the overall market, since Tesla finishes that, if we're playing out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then what I'm looking for next week is the market to push back up into here. That's what I'm looking at, guys. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen. This is all speculation, of course. But if we want Tesla to get to 720, the market really needs to rally up to here. So we were doing good. We've been good at this reversal. And then yesterday was the huge down day, which came out of nowhere. Honestly, we're down about almost 400 points, put us really in a rut. And then hopefully that was the dip buy. Hopefully that was the dip buy, playing out the head and shoulders, and then we do make that continuation next week. But overall, main focus on Tesla today was that it held that first support at 644, 645, and then what we're setting up to next week is hopefully to end at 720. That's my overall focus. Now, keep in mind though, if the market is down next week, then all of this is out of the water and it does not play out. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this Tesla analysis. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think Tesla's going to do and just your overall outlook on Tesla. Anyways, guys, I will see you all in the next video.